Expanding double brackets in algebraic expressions. In this video, you are going to learn how to expand double brackets in algebraic expressions using grid method. Let's see an example. In this example, there is one double bracket expression and one single bracket expression. First, let's take the expression in double brackets 4y squared plus 5 times 2y plus 1. To simplify an expression using the grid method, follow these 3 steps. Draw a grid. Create a grid and write the terms from each bracket along the top and side of the grid. Fill the grid. Multiply each pair of terms where a row and column meet to fill in each cell of the grid. Combine like terms. Add up all the terms from the grid and combine any like terms to simplify the expression. Well, you can understand better when you start creating a grid. The term in the first bracket is 4y squared plus 5. It is written on the left side of the grid. The term on the second bracket is 2y plus 1. It is written on the top of the grid. The grid is formed and you need to fill the grid. For that, you need to multiply each term in one bracket with all terms in the other bracket. You couldn't understand? No worries, let's see how to do that. Let's take the term 4y squared and multiply that with 2y and 1. 4y squared times 2y equals 8y cubed. 4y squared times 1 equals 4y squared. Next, let's take the number 5 and multiply that with 2y and 1. 5 times 2y equals 10y. 5 times 1 equals 5. The expression is 8y cubed, plus 4y squared, plus 10y, plus 5. Can this be further simplified? No, there are no like terms here. Now, let's move on to the single brackets expression 3y times y squared, minus 6. In one of our videos, we have explained how to expand single brackets. Multiply the term outside the bracket with each terms inside the bracket separately. That is, you have to multiply 3y with y squared and minus 6 separately. 3y times y squared is 3y cubed. 3y times minus 6 is minus 18y. By combining the terms, we get 3y cubed minus 18y. Now, let's write the simplified expression we got from the double brackets and single brackets together. By combining the like terms, we get 8y cubed plus 3y cubed plus 4y squared plus 10y minus 18y plus 5. On simplifying, we get 11y cubed plus 4y squared minus 8y plus 5. The simplified expression of 4y squared plus 5 times 2y plus 1 minus 3y times y squared minus 6 equals 11y cubed plus 4y squared minus 8y plus 5.